Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up a custom domain on your Weebly website. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to open up my computer browser, and as you can see, I'm in my Weebly editor page. So in order for you to add or to customize your domain, all you need to do is go to settings right here. And once you're in settings, under general, it says site address right here. So all you need to do is to click here to set site address. So I'm just going to click on this one right here. And now you can now transfer or connect your domain. So if you already own a domain, you can actually transfer or connect it right here. So for example, I have a domain in my mind. So I'm just going to click on connect or transfer it now. So as you can see, you can now enter your domain. And now once you have done that, you can now choose an option whether to purchase a plan and get 1 year of domain renewal, or you can connect your domain and choose a plan and it will help you connect your domain. So in order for you to do that, you must purchase a plan in order for you to get a domain. So the plans available for Weebly are the following. So as you can see right here, it is loading, and they have personal, professional, performance, and premium. So it's all up to you whether or not to upgrade the plan. But if you are really serious in making a website with a domain on Weebly, I suggest you get a plan. So these are the plans right now available for Weebly. So just look into that if you will. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!